not amazing that I'm on fire. I've been to hell and back, but I'm still on fire.
What's in the back of my mind, sitting in the back of that thing? With them 2 double R's sitting in the back of my brain. Anywhere but here, that's what I told my chauffeur. Hey, this shit getting heavy. Weight of the world on my shoulders. Think you figured it out, but you don't have a clue. Think you on top of the world, but the world on top of you. I started hustling for draws, and now there's plaques on the walls. Think I'm selling my soul, then you can come get them all. Trade them all for my dogs. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Where do we go wrong? Because I don't have a clue. You just wanna hit the mall and buy a new pair of shoes, but it's real consequences, nigga. Remember the rules. So I regret the day you ever served that nigga. Took 5 years of your life, you didn't deserve that nigga. I guess power and pain, look, it's somewhat the same. I lost my dog to the fame, I charge it all to the game. Please, Lord, forgive him. You know we got that thug in him. We lust for alcohol and we love women, and ain't nobody gave us nothing, so we drug dealing. You know we got them Louis Loafers, just a thug in them. And when you made it this far, you should be making a toast. Got the seats reclined and I be doing the most.
In the back of this Holy Ghost, yeah. In the back of this Holy Ghost, yeah. In the back of this Holy Ghost.
So far, but yet it feels so surreal. Hood nigga, $500,000, automobile. I'm talking real luxury. Don't feel a bump in the road. We like the rest of these niggas that fall out over hoes. Thought you my nigga forever. Thought that you could be trusted. Man, I found that you taking it really had me disgusted. Nigga, who am I kidding? It felt like a heart attack. Cause I gave you my heart and didn't ask for it back. And to be honest with you, I really thought we was brothers. Fuck everybody in this world as long as we got each other. Would've done anything, took a traffic charge. Every day on my head just to see you living large. Yes, stupidity kills, gave you your first meal. Now I ain't tell you to blow it, I ain't tell you to throw it. You fell a victim to pressure, yeah I know it can stress you, but you're only a man, homie, I ain't mad at you. Please Lord forgive him, you know we got that thug in him. We lust for alcohol and we love women, and ain't nobody gave us nothing, so we drug dealing. You know we got them Louis Loafers, just a thug in them. And when you made it this far, you should be making a toast. Got the seats reclined and I be doing the most.
In the back of this Holy Ghost, yeah. In the back of this Holy Ghost, yeah. In the back of this
I
Holy
swear the Lord
Ghost.
is my shepherd. I'm about to go cop a Lexus. I'm about to go fuck a Lexus. Take this and flood my Rolexes. This black on black is a blessing. Black on black crime on my weapon. I protect mine on my mama. Them these my Usher confessions. Let it burn. TTNT on the sex and TPs and mansions. I rest in 2 T's and Top Dog impressed with TVs that play they investment. KDOT go T off and TGs and YG's gon' press it. It's our turn. I pray that I never lose you, cause I like Benji and Buku. Bucks at my wrist, it do voodoo. Curse you forever, you bet not touch it. The clutch and I'm used to 250 speed racing crucial, nigga firm.
Check the homie out, homie, that's Kato.
My youngest asking me, do you consider role models useful? It's hard to say when I'm neutral. I'm trying to find out myself, find inner peace inside heaven, find diamond peace inside hell. Will I
Please Lord forgive him, you know we got that thug in him.